Did something happen? I've been trying to call you for a while now. You just woke up? Why does your voice sound hoarse? Oh, you played with your friends for an entire day and tired yourself out. You still look exhausted, though. Our Widdle duckling hasn't bounced back yet? I'm not making fun of you. I'm really worried. Did you take your medicine? That's great. You're a good little duckling. Do you want to get some more sleep? And do I need to coax you back into bed? How does a bedtime story sound? Okay, I got it. Once upon a time, there was a little duckling who wished she could change her voice and stop quacking. So she paddled out of an icy lake, waddled ashore, and curled up somewhere warm for a nice long nap. When she woke up, her voice was fine again, and the Widdle duckling was really, really happy. How am I subtly poking fun at you? This is an educational story. It needs more details. Ooh, looks like I've got to get my creative juices flowing. Quack, quack, quack. What do you think? Now we have 2 Widdle ducklings. What do you mean this isn't helpful? I see the amusement in your eyes. Besides, the 2 of us being little ducklings means I get to nuzzle your fluffy little head, and we'll be able to do lots of stuff together. You're feeling sleepy? You can close your eyes and sleep. In your dreams, we can actually be 2 little ducklings. We'll bask in the sun until our feathers are warm and fluffy. Then we'll cuddle and let the wind rustle the reeds. It'll whisper more stories to us too.